OCU is a place where every student can go to be loved for who they truly are.
So what I love about OCU is the environment, and that's especially shown in the professors.
At OCU, you have the opportunity to leave your own footprint. You collaborate with your faculty and peers to create something that is bigger than oneself.
OCU is a place where you can build community and learn how to be a part of a community and thrive, and it teaches you all the skills you need to become a servant leader.
Here within the OCU community, professors and students are super engaged, have really close relationships, and this extends outside of the university and with the rest of the city.
Oklahoma City University and the design and production program specifically has given me a lifetime community and networks of people I can consistently rely on and collaborate with for the rest of my career. It's also given me the confidence and skills I will need to pursue this industry as a strong woman. So my goal after graduating from Oklahoma City University is I'm gonna pursue a career in New York City. I'm just gonna go try it young in my 20s and figure out who and where I wanna spend the rest of my life with.
Coming to college as a theater major, especially here at OCU, I loved it, but I just felt like I was missing something. And then just learning about the nursing program and the health sciences program here, I felt called to that, especially when COVID hit. And I was like, all right, it's time to make the switch. I chose Kramer School of Nursing because I want to be an advocate and a voice for my community, especially the Black and LGBTQ community. We see in healthcare, there's not that many people who look like me or who live the life that I live, and just being able to walk in a room and be able to connect with my patient on that level is gonna provide a whole new type of care. It made me feel good. It made me feel like, wow, I'm actually providing something that people want to hear.
I took Dr. Wilner's Principles of Microeconomics class my very first semester here, and that completely sold me. He's an incredible professor. I loved the content, the way that the class was taught, and that's ultimately why I chose to go into the econ major. So OCU has done a multitude of things to prepare me for my career. Every internship that I have ever gotten has been through a faculty member or a connection that I've made here at the business school, and it's just such a pleasure getting to work with great people who really care about my success, who really want to see me succeed. And I love that I can go into any faculty office hours and talk to my professors. I wouldn't get this in a 300-person Principles of Microeconomics class at another school. So I love the small classrooms, the small class sizes, and I love the attitudes of every professor here.
I originally decided to go to OCU for the scholarship. Financial stability was incredibly important to me. Community is the reason I stayed, and I think that's what's really important. Year after year, I get excited after the summer to come back and be with my community. I want to be an attorney because I know it is my purpose to advocate and serve others. So coming from humble beginnings, I know that law school is a privilege, not one that everyone gets.
What drew me to OCU was the Oxford program, because that's what I ended up joining. It's now called PPE, but basically you can get a law degree about a year faster, spend your senior year as your 1L year, which is your first year in law school. So I think that has been a great benefit to me because I'm now in this lovely building right here in the law school, almost being a lawyer at 24, which is impressive. I would not be able to do any of this without you. I could not afford going to OCU Law. I wouldn't be this far, So just thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for your continued support. Without y'all's help, we couldn't have the next generation of theater artists come into our community and shape it for the coming years.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to come to a university. Without the Claire Luper Scholarship, I would not be here, and I would not have been able to accomplish all the things I've accomplished these past 4 years.
Thank you so much for inspiring me. As a young Oklahoman, your hand that you're giving to me really inspires me to stay in Oklahoma City and reinvest into the future generation as well.
Thank you all so much for your generous contributions to this university. You have deeply impacted my story and many other students, and I can't wait to grow up and be the type of person that you've been for me and inspire other stories.